What's going on, folks? Brian here, back with an update for my automated drink machine using the Make Block Me Orion based on the Arduino Uno board. Alright, so I got an idea. I'm going to be sending string information to the board using a graphic user interface, probably Visual Basic or Java. I'm going to make a program where you choose the ingredients for your drink, and the ingredients correspond with numbers. Okay, so right now, to keep it simple, I got 1 for vodka, 2 for rum, but these numbers will coincide with the motor or the solenoid valve, whatever you want to call it, connected to the liquor. So you could in essence change the graphic user interface, the program, the end user program, to say 1 is vodka, 3 is vodka, whatever the bottle that has the vodka, whatever motor that's hooked up to is going to be the number. And this really simplifies things. This means that I can do push buttons, I can do combo boxes, I can do drop downs, I can do recipes, and all turn that I can turn all that information into simple numbers that will get passed over to the board. Alright, so let's turn on my board. I got it hooked up to a AC adapter, 12 volts, so I can power the solenoid valve. And just to test this out, let's do a 3. So 1's vodka, 2's rum. If I do 3 and I hit enter, nothing should happen. And of course nothing does happen. There's no input. So 1 is vodka, and then the second number is going to be the amount of shots. So right now I'm assuming 1 shot's about 3 seconds. So it's going to be 3 times the variable T1, which is going to be my the number of shots. So right now I'm doing this using a read string command, and it's actually taking whatever I type in here and it's breaking up into 2 bits. So 4 and 4 would be whatever 4 would, let's call it Kahlua. Kahlua, 4 shots. Nothing happens when I enter that. But let's try 1, which is vodka, and let's do a 2, which is a double shot, which means this should stay open for 6 seconds because it's 3,000 times my variable. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I hit enter on the board. Oh, that's my bad. I have to actually, I didn't send it. Alright, there it goes. So it's flowing, it's flowing, it's flowing, it's flowing, it's flowing, and it's 6 seconds, and it shuts off. And of course it says vodka is flowing. Again, if I do 7, the only options right now I have programmed is 1 and 2. If I do 7 and 6, nothing happens. So let's do 2. Let's do rum. Alright, so come back up here. I'm going to hit 2, and let's do a 5-second pour. So this should stay open for 15 seconds. And sending now. Alright. So this is kind of cool. This is what I'm going to be playing with the next couple days to really refine it. But I like the way it's heading. I like this direction. So as you can imagine, this is going to be 5 shots worth of liquor, maybe. So that was 15 seconds right on the dot. And again, I'm using this by taking the string and breaking it up into 2 parts. The first part is the drink variable, which is going to be a number, 1 through 9. Really, and then the shot is going to be 1 through 9. I mean, you're not going to make, a 10-ounce drink of just vodka, but this is just a simplified, really example of how to do this using just numbers to get what you want. Alright, guys. Hopefully I didn't ramble too bad. Let's try it one more time. This thing's amazing. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to go 5 and 2. And nothing should happen. But if I do 1 and 1, it should just quickly open up for about 3 seconds. Perfect. Now if I do 2 and 2, it should be 6 seconds. There it goes. And awesome. Alright, so that's part 2, the update. Good stuff.